With its great features and amazing performance, you'll be making delicious meals in no time thanks to this electric range cooker with ceramic hob from Beko. It has 4 cavities including a separate grill and 2 fan ovens. The main fan oven has a medium-sized 63-litre capacity and the second one also has a 63-litre capacity, so it's perfect if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 5 cooking zones on the hob in 3 different sizes, so it's great if you like having multiple pans bubbling away at once. The hob also has a ceramic finish, which makes it especially easy to keep clean. Because the surface is so smooth, any food splashes can be easily wiped away once the cooking zones have cooled down. So if you want a stylish hob which is effortless to keep clean, this ceramic hob is ideal. This model's electric fan oven provides a fast, effective and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. This means you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes at the same time, while your food will always have the perfect finish. If you're looking for an electric range cooker with great features to help you make delicious meals in no time, this model from Beko is the one for you.